Writing strategy. Learning the basics of writing, step by step. Learning to write is a very difficult task. It requires a lot of different skills: memory, sequencing, spelling, and letter formation. That's a big load on your working memory. So let's break it up. We have to train our brains. First, to remember, then to sequence, then to add detail. It is easy to start this task verbally. Please don't rush this process. Wait till you have mastered each stage before you move on to the next stage. Step 1. At the end of every day, tell someone about your day, from start to finish. If this is too hard, start with a shorter time frame, etc. What happened since lunchtime? Try not to get into too much detail. The important thing is to remember the sequence of events. Step 2. Make a list of 7 events that have happened in your day. Make sure these events are in order. Here is my list. 1. Walked to school. 2. Did maths. 3. Played with Lucy. And so on. Step 3. Once you can easily do step 2, see if you can turn your list into 7 sentences. Remember to keep them in order. Also, use a capital letter to start and a full stop at the end. 1. Walk to school. Now it becomes, in the morning I walked to school. 2. The school day started with maths. 3. At morning tea time, I played with Lucy. And so on. Step 4. Now once you can do your sentences, expand on each of them with more sentences, creating more detail. Your sentences then become a paragraph. Here's my example. 1. In the morning, I walked to school. Now I add the details. It was a cold, wet day, so I wore a raincoat. A truck drove past me and splashed me. It was so annoying. I patted a neighbour's cat. It waits by the gate every morning. I was pleased to get to school because the classroom was so warm. 2. The school day started with maths. We had to do measurement today. It was fun because we were allowed to move around the class, measuring things. Jack was being stupid and snapped his ruler. He got sent out of the classroom. Continue to add detail to each sentence. Are you starting to get the idea now? Congratulations, you have written an essay. At the end of this process, you have actually written an essay about your day. If you have followed this process, your essay should be in sequence, and it will be made up of 7 paragraphs. Please don't rush this writing strategy. It is so important to master each step before you move on to the next. As you start doing this process, you'll focus more during the day on what is happening and when it happened. Now, whenever you want to write a story, just break it down into these 4 easy steps. I hope this helps you as much as it has helped me.